Hello friends, welcome to my new channel, and I will provide you some news of today. I will provide you today's top headlines of news. To connect with us, subscribe, like and share. Now start the news. Top headlines from India Today websites. At least 27 dead in massive fire at four-story building in Delhi's Mundka. Live updates. JK admin constitutes SIT to prove Rahul Bhatt's killing promises government job to his wife. India script Thomas Cup history. Stone Denmark 3-2 reach final. Two arrested by Pune police in connection with kidney racket case. Genuine demands of all would be met if NET PG exam was postponed. Doctors Association reacts to SC verdict. What's the problem? Asked Union Minister Sadhvi Niranjan after national anthem made mandatory in UP madrasas. 26 dead as massive fire breaks out in Delhi's Mundka rescue. OPS on. At least 27 dead in massive fire at four-story building in Delhi's Mundka. Live updates. Tragic political leaders condole loss of lives after fire broke out in Delhi's Mundka. BJP Shiv Sena Salman Akbaruddin Owaisi over visit to Aurangzeb's tomb. Hardik Patel says he is not leaving Congress. Will attend Chintan Shivir tomorrow. Salman Khan begins Kabhi EID Kabhi Diwali shoot in Mumbai. Vijay Devarkonda is so kind, say Liger co-star Ananya Pandey exclusive. Kunal Roy Kapoor says he was not keen to do TV after First Mohabbat. Here's why exclusive. Suhail Sima to Arbaz. सुहेल सिन्हा to Arbaz Malaika. Bollywood marriages that ended in shocking divorce. Suhail Khan and Sima Alford married secretly due to family refusal. Their love story. That says I will quit acting day. I did not find an interesting role. Amit Sant says Christian Bale's Batman in his favorite interviews well, and I are not in a convention as Sima Khan. Sports. BBKS Ghost playoffs hopes after Livingstone Bairstow fireworks versus RCB. He has taken it in the right note. Du Plessis backs Kohli to come good amid the poor run. I want fans to say in that period we were fun. Guardiola on City's legacy. India scripts Thomas Cup history. Stone Denmark 3-2 reach final. Arshdeep is the leader in PBKS team. He is rallies around everyone. Mayank, emerging moment in Indian sport. Fans salute India's history. Thomas Cup hit RCB and PBKS IPL 2022 highlights. Punjab Farmers Bengaluru. Seattle beats Andres Q to qualify for the Italian Open semis. Racks up 26 successive with trending news. We bet you would not find anybody with as much swag as this Qatar logo. This street vendor's special mango Maggi has horrified netizens. Kazakhstan man saves child after climbing floors after climbing 8 floors of a tower. Netizens are so sad and kya faida trend is the result of it. Here's what it is about. Zakir Sakian's bids fond farewell to dear friend Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Viral pic. The temperature in Bengaluru is lower than Shimla. Netizens want to shift ASAP. Bride and groom set themselves on fire on wedding day. Daredevil stunt. US waitress day began on a terrible note, but then she received a tip of raise 62K. Technology. SpaceX Starlink now available in 32 countries, coming soon to India. Europe plans to scan private messages for photos related to child porting and reception at risk. Terra Luna crashed Dawn's value of fourth biggest crypto to zero. All cryptocurrencies in free all. Best 100 Mbps broadband plans from Jio Fiber, Tata Play, Airtel and HCT. Nothing phone launch timeline, specification and everything known so far. Elon Musk says Twitter deal is on hold. Not sure if he is serious or joking. Nothing phone one gets closer to its launch. India Motorola Moto G82 5G launched globally. India released confirmed. Today I will provide the news of India. Movies about elections is pending. Now election is already completed. Not completed, election is pending. The election news is Punjab to hold Rajya Sabha election on June 10. Election for 57 Rajya Sabha seats on June 10. Gujarat polls BJP looks to reach out to tribals voters as MLA Ashwini Kotwal joins party. Former Gujarat Congress MLA Ashwini Kotwal to join BJP on May 3. BJP did not want to give us time in Gujarat. Arvind Kejriwal on yearly polls both Khalistan-minded people in AAP. Gujarat BJP chief's tweet as Kejriwal holds rally in state. Kick us out next time if Arvind Kejriwal's Gujarat fees. Will BJP announce poll next week? Kejriwal's job as PM meet Gujarat CM leaders. Thanks for watching. If you like our news updates, then like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for getting such type of latest notification of news. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Thanks for watching. Jai Jagannath.